To add Form 1099-SF to a new return, begin under the Individual tab and under Client Manager, select New Return. To locate the 1099-SF when in the return, you have the option to search for 1099-SF in the Locate search box. You are also able to find 1099-SF in the Forms tree on the left-hand side of your display. Once you have selected Form 1099-SF, an Interest Received from Seller Finance Mortgage Summary will appear. To continue, click the Add button. Once the form appears, you are able to fill out the 1099-SF based on the taxpayer's information. When all of the information has been filled out, click the Save button and continue to fill out the rest of the return. Upon completion of the return, select the Complete button at the top of the screen. You will then need to mark the return as complete and mark the return as reviewed by selecting Yes in the respective fields. You will also need to indicate whether this return is to be paper filed or electronically filed by choosing the appropriate option. Click the Save button when ready to complete this return. After completing the return, you must indicate how the taxpayer will pay for the return by clicking the link Client Payment. On the following screen, click Add New Invoice to generate a new invoice for the return. You can modify federal or state charges by selecting the Modify link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. When finished, click Calculate. Select which payment type and whether to make payment now or invoice only. Then select Yes to e-file this return now. Click Update Payment when finished. Next, select how to transmit the return. Click on the Ready to e-file link to select how the return is to be transmitted. OLT Pro offers the options to file in the following methods: federal with state, federal only, or state only. After selecting the type of transmission, click the button Transmit Now. You can also select Add to Queue, which will relocate the return under the e-file tab, and then Ready to Transmit.